Hi, I'm Sophie. In my first reflection video, I explained how I use evidence as an environmental engineer. I now thought I can use scientific evidence to communicate with policymakers and even get recommendations on current policies. I totally agree with the idea that it's pretty hard for scientists to communicate with policymakers as they speak different language. Scientists are focused more about the problem and they always emphasize how serious the problem has become. Use and they use terms and jargons which is hard to understand to explain the problem. However, policymakers need to make decisions in a very short time. Therefore, they need more solutions rather than the facts. So we really need to improve our communication skills to inform the policymaker in the future. For example, a systematic review is a very useful approach to synthesize evidence to inform better decision making. And well-structured questions is very important to find the roots of the problem as well. In my white paper, I make research about e-waste management in Australia. After research, I was astonished at the low recycling rate in Australia. And I know the majority of the e-waste will be landfill or export to developing countries such as China for the further process due to the lack of advanced technology. However, I also found the value of e-waste as well. We can earn profits by recycling the precious metals and reuse it to make new products. In the current policy, we can find that there will be a huge investment to be used on the e-waste collection network, but the main problem is not collection, is about recycling. So we wrote some recommendations such as invest in advanced recycling technologies and subsidize electronic companies to take their responsibility to implement recycling or take back schemes. And then we used logical model and scenario planning to identify the potential risks and make some assumptions as well. I think the tools we use in white paper will be super useful in our future career. And I really enjoy the group work. I want to say thank you to my excellent group members and to our Susie who is always willing to help us at any time. Thank you. It's my second reflection with you.